Chandler, that's like your fourth cup of coffee.
Well, I'm drinking lots of cups of coffee because I'm exhausted, because Joey started snoring.
He's in a different room. He's really that loud?
Oh, you should hear me.
It's not something to be proud of, okay? You have to go to a sleep clinic.
I told you, I'm not going to any clinic. I don't have a problem. You're the one with the problem. You should go to a quit being a baby and leave me alone clinic.
I don't have those.
Yeah, they do. Quit being a baby and leave me alone. There, you just had your first class.
You know, I used to go out with this guy that was a really light sleeper, and whenever I'd start to snore, he'd just roll me over.
Oh, yeah.
He would just roll me over, and I would stop snoring.
Next time you snore, I'm rolling you over.
I gotta do what I gotta do. You gotta do what you gotta do. You just do it.